hope everyone had a great lunch. We're going to start with some questions. Yes?
Can I use the bathroom?